Firstly, it swallowed him while he was still alive. Secondly, either we live together or we die together. There is no other choice. Thirdly, this is how spiders multiply. Fourthly, this hurricane sets the city on fire. Fifthly, what is this strange creature?
What the?
Sixthly, when you don't like the taste of your prey. Seventhly, mountain climbing is no joke. Eighthly, what species is this animal? Glory be to God, I have never seen anything like it before. God creates whatever He wills, whenever He wills, however He wills.